Hey guys, how are you doing? Lance has a game here. Today's the update, comments, what's happening, everything vlog to do once a week with you guys. Happy March 1st. Just got from CSL. Need blood money for the blood god or for resin and warhammer stuff. But hopefully everyone's having had a good February. It's been getting cold and warm here over here in South Carolina. Spring is here basically. Been here about 2 weeks ago in South Carolina. Anyhow, I don't have that much stuff left to paint for my Warhammer for my Blood Angels, but I have Orcs and Kill Team and a couple of the Age of Sigmar, the undead ones. So I don't know if you guys know any of these units are called because I have like a stack of them. They're in my shorts, but that's gonna be one set I gotta repaint. I gotta repaint this land speeder. Someone did a horrible job on that. I need to get repaint. Then I gotta finish building my combat patrol. For it, I might buy another boxy like the border patrol for my kill team. Or I just spend $110 on a tank, or I just print myself a tank. That'd be a fraction of the cost for that as well. If you guys want me to show you guys some STL files on Cult or on Patreon for proxy version of Warhammer 40k or Age of Sigmar, please let me know down in the comments below. But other than that, it's just been very busy for me. Doctor's appointment later on today for MRI that I have an endocrinologist next month to see why my vitamin D is far lower than it should be, and why I heard the vitamins working for that as well. But Ashley's game is coming up next month as well, and we are priming a lot of stuff and fixing a lot of the failed prints that she found that I am going to be painting and going to be put on the channel. I know that there's music going around that's repeat the same music. I'm gonna do my best to cut and paste. Try to find some better ones. It's just that a lot of the non-copyrighted music is keep getting copyright strike. I don't know if it's a creator or I really don't know. It's just been a very hectic time trying to get that thing up and going and running around as well. But I did, no, 10th edition of Codex is coming out in June. And I know there's more units coming out as well. And I'd heard that there's going to be another faction or two for the Space Marine, the Imperials. And it is getting to a point that I'm trying to download as much as I can for free. If you go to Cult or go to Facebook, one of the Facebook group like Warhammer 3D and stuff, and you need to find files, that's probably the best place to go find your files that your faction is going for. The hard time I look really been finding are Tyranids. But I found a lot of Death Guard stuff on Nurgle's faction for that as well. Um, I am about 2 weeks in advance on painting videos right now, and I've been painting and finishing it up every day for the past several days. Yesterday, I finally took a break because I need to take a break because I have carpal tunnel on my left and my right. Video game injuries or whatever it is, I really don't know for that matter as well. And we have a lot of stuff that we gotta get down to. Sales are going great at Etsy. Thank you guys for your support for the Etsy. The Etsy's are basically helps with the buying me more resin part for it, so I can print more stuff and paint more stuff for you guys. And subcontent has been going very good as well. Everyone start liking it, the videos, and start commenting it. I'm very thankful for you for that. I like to reply and socialize and hopefully you guys join the Discord page as well down the link below. Then you can socialize with me more. I'm usually on there pretty much all the time. I like to do live streams more often, but the problem is this computer is really old. I mean, I built this in the 2016 era, and I just got out of when I got med boarded out of the Air Force. So I need to upgrade it. I can do only very limited things on stream, like talking and stuff, and my little bit of painting. But other than that, it's been a very big doozy trying to get everything up and going for that matter as well. Pokemon game DLCs coming out. The Terra Battle's coming up, and I'm gonna be the Terra Battle try to get one of those legendary Pokemon as well. But I don't really have much going on right now. I've been just doing painting. I got finished the remainder of the turtles for it as well. I got Ashley's terrain stuff I gotta finish up and working on and printing her graveyard set for it. I do want to craft stuff out of scraps for you guys so you guys can do it yourself with all the scraps laying around as well. Um, so yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on. We got some kill teams right here, some of the orcs for it. I know I painted these a while ago. We got some other ones as well. I'm thinking about buying another kill team box set just for the hell of it. But I also gotta find this orc bit for trying to find a bit for that damn orc for it. But I have a lot of projects that I gotta get done and try to finish. End goal is get as much done, get much painted, get everything put away, get a case for all of these, and put them away in the dark corner. Never see the sunlight again unless I need to play with them and learn how to play Warhammer. I'm slowly learning it. Just need the goddamn codex and the actual rule book for me to read. And other than that, everything's pretty good for it. Let me know you guys any projects you guys in mind. You guys want me to work on, want me to 3D print, talk about stuff like that. But other than that, it's downhill. I'm just gonna be painting like crazy. I might stream my painting if you guys want to see me paint while I stream. Usually, if it's like not even one people or try to converse with me, the stream ends short. So I like to, if I just like to stream, I like to conversate. I don't like to just. I'm not good at talking to myself. I do talk to myself pacing around downstairs looking at bills, but other than that, it's just I don't really talk to myself that much. I know a lot of people do, and they're very good at it. Uh, my wife sees me do that. She think I'm freaking crazy or something, or you think I already am crazy. There will be more games coming up. I did cancel Octopath Travelers 2. I did cancel Tales of Symphonia. I canceled some more games on it because I do want to play Persona 3 on this and put it onto the secondary channel. Secondary channel is nothing but gameplay. Uh, but after I beat Octopath 1, because I own it, I'll get 2 because I don't want to play a game that I have no idea that they're understanding. I know there's like different characters have different stuff for it. I know May. I might get Breath of the Wilds 2. I wasn't really a big fan of the first one. I did not really like it. I played 80 hours of it. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I also want to get Metroid Prime 2 on the Switch. That's been going to be ported over. See how that is. I remember the old GameCube days. Is pretty fun for that as well. Well, anyhow, guys, thank you guys for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe if you guys haven't. Please leave down the comments any kind of future project we may work on or you want me to talk about. Uh, I can do that for you as well. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy as well. To if you like anything, if you want to socialize, Discord would be pretty good as well. Well, anyhow, guys, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.